Imagine having a smart assistant that's not only a composer and songwriter but also creates music videos for you. Today, we're diving into TuneSona AI, a platform that's revolutionizing AI music generation and even opening doors for YouTube monetization. If you want to learn how to create professional tracks with just a few clicks, stay with me until the end. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the desired channel for more cutting-edge AI tutorials. This is the homepage of TuneSona, an excellent AI music agent with a very simple and user-friendly interface. Here, it provides some information about the site and the tasks you can perform with this agent. You can also see examples of music created with this tool and feedback from other users. To get started, we click on the Login option in the top right corner. This box opens up, allowing you to sign up with your Google, Apple, or Facebook accounts, or even your personal email. They provide 30 credits daily, which is enough for creating music for personal use, but for heavy usage, you'll definitely need to purchase a subscription. I'll log in with my Google account. Once inside, we click on the Start Free Now option. After clicking that, this page opens up, and as I mentioned earlier, it has a very easy-to-use interface that we'll explore together. I've previously made a few tracks with it, which you can see on the left side. In this section, we can type our prompt and request. In the Custom section, you can personalize your request even further to have more control over the song. Up here, they've provided a few example requests, and there's even an option to choose a random topic. From this part, you can also upload your own song as a reference from your system. First, I want to make a simple request to show you how easy it is. I'll type this: I want a music for night drive. Then, I click on the Generate button and wait for the agent to start building it. This page appears, showing that it's thinking to give me an answer. It even chose a title for my music up here. It gives us 3 options for the mood: Neon Drifter, Highway Reverie, and Midnight Pulse. I'll go with the second one, Highway Reverie. You can read the descriptions under each option and choose based on your request and taste. It starts thinking again, and we wait for it to create the track. First, it builds the music style, as you can see. Below that, it has written the lyrics, which you can read and review. If you don't like them, you can ask it to change them. The music is still being generated, so let's wait. Now that the music is ready, let's listen to it together.
We were July in a borrowed hour. Now the page is blank where you were born. I passed that street at the end of evening, where your laugh used to lean on mine. Sing I keep it soft and slow. I'll let it go. Door sighs like it knows our name. 2 paper cups on a picnic table.
It was good, calm, and perfect for the road, but I want a more intense night vibe. This time, I'll click on Custom. In the lyrics section, you can type your own or ask the AI to write them for you. To do this, we click on Generate. This box opens up, and I'll write my request like this: Neon Lights. Then I click Generate Lyrics. After waiting for less than 10 seconds, it writes the text. You can change any part you want, and finally, click Use this lyrics to place it in the box. Now for the music style, you can also get help from the AI here. I click Generate and type Retro Vibe, Dark, Cinematic, Night Drive. I hit Generate and wait for it to create the style. It places the style prompt directly here. Now, I want the singer to be male, so I select the Male option. I won't add anything to the song title, the name it chose is fine. Finally, I hit Generate and wait for the music to be created. It starts processing my request and begins building the track. The songs are ready, let's listen.
Shadows painting the street in colors of an endless show. Neon lights tearing through the dark, leaving a vibrant electric mark, washing the skyline in purple. Blowing in the puddles below, caught inside the colors of an endless.
These were excellent. I really loved them. They truly capture the feeling of driving at night. Now, from this section, you can download it in different formats. I'll download it as an MP3. You can also hover over the three dots to see options like editing details, checking the music license, the strike feature, and you can even extend it to increase the duration or delete it if you're not satisfied. Now, I want to create music with a different style and vibe to see how it performs across genres. I click Custom again. In the lyrics section, I click Generate, type the word Saboteur, and hit Generate Lyrics. It writes the lyrics, and I click Use this lyrics. For the style, I'll type Dance, K-pop music, bass. I click Start Writing Style, and it professionally places the style prompt. This time, I'll choose Female for the vocals and hit Generate. It takes less than 30 seconds to create our music, which is a great speed. The tracks are ready, let's listen.
I build it up just to tear it down. A quiet king in a broken crown. Every time the water starts to still, I drop a stone just to test my will. Oh, I'm the saboteur of my own design, crossing out the borders, blurring every. I build it up just to tear it down. It's my will. Yeah, I'm the saboteur.
That was great. Even better than the previous ones. Now, I want to make a different request. I'll ask for background music for relaxing or working. I'll type, I want background music, no vocals, anime style, and relaxing. I hit Generate, and as you can see, it's thinking. It immediately writes the description and builds the music. It's finished, let's hear it. It's good and perfectly captures that anime style. Now, if we click on Songs at the top, we can see all the music we've created and listen to any of them. On the bottom left, there's Invite and Earn, where you get a link to share with friends. For every invite, you receive 10 credits. In the Members section, you can see the paid plans. Depending on your needs, you can get a subscription. For example, for $7, you can create up to 200 songs. They also organize competitions where you can participate by creating music and being judged by the platform. On the home page, you can see what other users have created and listen to their tracks. Now, let's get to the most important and best part of this platform. You can create music videos and share them directly on YouTube to earn money. In the Songs section, when you click on one of your tracks and hover over the download button, you'll see the Generate Video option. When you click it, it starts creating a simple music video, similar to what many artists post on their pages. You can create a YouTube channel and upload these videos. I'll put the final music video at the end of this video for you to see. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to create some amazing tracks with TuneSona. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think about the quality of these AI-generated songs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to support the channel. Now, enjoy the music video we created using this exact platform. See you in the next one.
I build it up just to tear it down. A quiet king in a broken crown. Every time the water starts to still, I drop a stone just to test my will. Oh, I'm the saboteur of my own design, crossing out the borders, blurring every line. When the dawn is breaking and the coast is clear, I light a match and watch it disappear. Yeah, I'm the saboteur. I lay the tracks, then I cut the brakes. I thrive inside the beautiful mistakes. A ticking clock hidden in the floor. I always look it from the other door. Yeah. Oh, I'm the saboteur of my own design, crossing out the borders, blurring every line. When the dawn is breaking and the coast is clear, I light a match and watch it disappear. Yeah, I'm the saboteur. Why do I fear the quiet and the peace? Why do I need the chaos for release? I hold the knife that cuts the safety net, a shadow of the things I might regret. Oh, I'm the saboteur of my own desire.